Ay, nagulat ako. Akala ko about Abu to. Okay, ano pong sinabi niya? Alin doon?
Yung sobrang ganda mo.
Oh my God, mahal ko talaga si Meme Vice.
Yes.
Napakabait niya. And he's so intelligent and smart and an icon. So ako, it's like a dream come true sa totoo lang. Because I've always wanted to be a part of Showtime. And the fact that pinansin pa niya ako, nakakakilig. Kinilig talaga ako doon.
Pero Max, how do you feel na yung parang nagtatawiran na lahat? Wala ng barriers between GMA and ABS-CBN?
Ang saya, because it's always been a problem, diba?
Yes.
But now it's like that we're all coming together. More work for everyone.
Yes.
Everyone's happy because more opportunities. And that's what we really want is to grow.
Bago ka mag-showtime, kakabalik mo lang from New York?
Yes.
Ano ba? How was the experience?
It was amazing. I love New York so much. It was snowing pa. So, ang saya. Now I'm flying off to Milan next week also. So, balik na naman sa lamig. But exciting. Yes, Milan Fashion Week and then Paris after. So, exciting times.
So, more on parang fashion influencer na yung path ng career?
That's kind of what I want to get into. That's what I've been getting into now since my last fashion week because I was there last season and then gusto ko siyang ituloy talaga because na-enjoy ko siya. It's something that I really love doing, traveling and fashion and sharing that with my followers.
Pero paano yun? Yung transition mo as an actress tapos magiging fashion influencer ka? Siyempre may priorities na.
Yes, kasi now I feel like most artistas are transitioning into becoming influencers because we're all online constantly 24/7. So because of that, I'm able to work remotely as a fashion influencer. I can do it from wherever. Yes. So that doesn't mean I have to leave my job as an artista. I can still do both.
On your part, mahirap ba siya? Maging influencer?
Maging influencer, yes, mahirap po siya kasi parang naghahalo yung, it's your real life and your work, it becomes one.
Yeah.
And that's great. It's just sometimes nakakapagod din because ikaw yung mag-iisip na mag-conceptualize and you're always thinking of ways to innovate, diba, as an influencer. And at the same time, I have my other job as an artista and as a mom and like as a businesswoman. So, dami kong ginagawa but I have no complaints because I'd rather be busy than idle.
Yes, Max. Alam naman natin na pag fashion world, medyo magulo dyan. Na medyo, syempre may mga competition. Tapos parang may favorite yung mga followers nyo. Na kung sino yung bet nila na sana makita namin si ganito.
Yeah.
Affected ka ba sa ganito?
No, because I feel like there's room for everyone. It shouldn't be, we shouldn't limit ourselves because parang everyone has their own X factor, kumbaga. Like everyone has their own gift and I feel like it's nicer if magtulungan na lang kami to raise each other up and to be known internationally bilang fashionable Filipinas.
Yes. Pero Ma'am, ano na lang, comment ko lang kasi recently na headline ko sa mga blind item.
Ako?
Yes.
Ano yung...
I don't know, pero from the screenshot.
Yes, ano yun?
If you were aware, it's up to you kung gusto mo
No,
mag-comment.
it's okay, it's fine.
Are you okay with Sophia-ness?
Ayoko mag-comment.
Yes.
No, I mean, okay, so basically, I just don't have time for any negativity, so I really don't want to comment about anything. People can think what they want to think. They're entitled to their own opinions. Basta ako, I'm just working and doing my job, that's all.
And yes, coming from you, Filipina to Filipina, uplifting each other.
Yes, Filipina to Filipina. I support all of my fellow Filipinas, and I have nothing but love for all of my colleagues.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.